All right, we're back for more. It's Monday morning at Buttonwillow Raceway with the RS 660s at the Aprilia Racers Days. Let's do it. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth one with slicks with the Pikes Peak winner, Rennie. Let's do it. Okay guys, last time I didn't have the acid gold for video for a close-up, so let's grab a close-up. Here, check this out. Here's the blue. There's the black. And here's the acid gold. A little close-up for you guys. I have to say, my favorite thing about these bikes ergonomically right now is the gas tank. Yeah, I mean, look at that. It hugs your legs perfectly. So they come stock with a passenger seat, but you can switch that out to this solo seat. This almost looks like a little pad, but it's not. So here's the black. Easily the best looking bike in its class, let alone everything else. Let's see what happens when we turn the key. So in a minute, I'm gonna get a quick tutorial on the dash and all the features to show you guys.